Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys checking in with me. Today I want to just go over a few changes I've made to some of my positions. I just purchased a share of Stitch Fit at $22.20 a couple of days ago. I had owned Stitch Fit a few months ago. Well, actually it looks like a few years ago, and then I just repurchased it on the 11th at $22.20. Looks like I purchased it when the IPO first dropped. I purchased it at $20 even, and then as it began to grow, I sold it. And this is a year ago or so, when I first started investing. And so I just decided to purchase it again. We're waiting on the earnings call, which is going to be on March the 11th. So that should be coming soon. And when it does, my position may fluctuate a little. Usually stocks become volatile after an earnings call. It usually drops a lot or gets a little pop and goes up. So we'll see what that does to Stitch Fit. A friend of mine actually suggested that I invest in it. Also, I sold my share of Nike, unfortunately, incorrectly. And so as you can see here, I sold my share of Nike for $79.80. But unfortunately, I actually lost on that deal 20 cents, because when I purchased it on September 5th, as you can see here, I purchased it for $80. And then when I placed my order to sell it, it was after hours. So I guess after the market opened and Robinhood finally decided to put in my order, it sold for $79.80 instead of the $80 that I was expecting it to sell for. So in order to prevent that, you must place a limit sell, like I did for Stitch Fit, for example. A limit sell basically lets your platform only sell your stock for a specific amount of money. So let's go to sell, and you'll go to order types on the Robinhood platform and go to limit, and it'll say specify the minimum amount you're willing to receive per share. So let's say I'm only willing to purchase or sell Stitch Fit for no less than $22.70, since the current price is $22.68, so it'll be 2 cents over what it is now. So if I press continue, that'll place the order for it to sell as soon as it hits $22.70. So basically, or I can make it $25 or anything. So basically, at any point, if Stitch Fit's got to the $25, it would automatically sell itself, and you won't have to I think that's really helpful, so you don't have to babysit your stocks or make the mistake I made and have the stock actually drop in price before it sells. So that's a good safety net for those who sell stocks. I would consider doing limit orders in most cases. And so you can also do a stop loss. I don't have stop losses on any of my actual stocks, because I don't. If you put a stop loss on, basically you're guaranteed to lose money. And to me, I don't really consider myself having lost money unless I actually sell it and it's not for profit. So even if the stock goes down and after I purchase it, I still don't consider myself to have lost any money, if that makes sense. So in order to put in a stop loss, basically if your share drops to a certain amount, you can have it sell itself so that you can prevent yourself from losing any more money, so to speak. So I don't prefer to do that because it doesn't give me the opportunity to have the stock. It doesn't give the stock the opportunity to go back up if you automatically sell it when it goes down. I like to make that decision on case-to-case basis. So let's say that I would want to sell my stock if it goes any lower than $20. So if I just put in stop price $20, then I would stop at $20 and sell. So that way, if it goes any lower than $20, you would already be out of the of that share, so it automatically will sell itself at that time, so you won't lose any more cash. But like I said, I don't like doing that because you're automatically going to lose that way. You're automatically going to lose cash that way, in my opinion, so I don't prefer to do it. I sell things based on certain criteria, not just if it goes down, I'm automatically selling it. But that's a good thing to use if you're interested in using that for some security. So that's pretty much it for today that I wanted to go over. Just stop losses and limit sales, and how I sold Nike incorrectly. And basically, just to review, I'm up pre-market at $17.31. Past week I'm down $21, it looks like here. That's $226 for the past month. 3 months, $364.85. 1 year, 487.73, up 12%, or almost 13%, up 13%, I'll say. And around the same amount for all time. Like I said, I've been investing in the stock market for about a year now, so that's probably why they're so similar the all time in the year. So I really thank you guys for checking in with me today, and I will talk to you guys soon.